Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check whether a YouTube channel is monetized. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC or laptop and go to youtube.com. After that, sign in to your account and you'll see recommended videos on your screen. Now, open the YouTube channel whose monetization status you want to check. Once you're on the channel's homepage, keep in mind that earlier it was possible to check monetization by right-clicking and using the Inspect option. However, YouTube has removed that feature in recent updates, so it no longer works. To check the monetization status now, copy the URL of the target channel. Then open a new tab in your browser and search for "Is this channel monetized?" Open the website that appears, paste the channel link into the provided box, and click on the Check Monetization button. Wait for the process to complete, and once it's done, you'll be able to see whether the YouTube channel is monetized or not. That's how you can check if a YouTube channel is monetized. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.